How you doing? Grant here from Shore Toyota, and we have a special event going on this Black Friday. The first 10 people to be the verified purchasers of a brand new or used vehicle will get one of these televisions for free. And so I'm gonna unbox it and show you exactly what you're gonna get. And as you can see here, this is an LG UHD TV. It's actually very nice. So I'm gonna pop the top open here with just a key. And here is the very simple bases. Put that off to the side. We're going to open up the top as carefully as possible since I want to give this to a very happy customer. I'm gonna slide this out, slide the box over, and it is very nicely and protected and wrapped. I'm going to take out, this is a very, very nice quality television. Very light as well. It also has on the back 3 HDMI's, composite, a in for the wired LAN and a USB. We're going to take this and put it off to the side and check the box to make sure that there's nothing else that we're forgetting. Obviously, the controller and a power cord. All right, so as you can see here, the television is quite light and very well built. I'm going to use this couch as a safety precaution against the screen because I want to put these bases on, which I just took out of the bag, and I don't want to put any pressure on the screen. So I see that it has an A and B marking on the bases here, and what I just do is bring this back and pop it into A. Over here there's a marking that says A. I'm going to take that, pop it in there. And over here on B, there's a marking on the base for B and on the television. And there it is. I mean, that was incredibly simple. So I set this up on the table, and as you can see, I'm just going to take the power cord out of the bag. I'm going to unswirl. And the power cord is right there. It's got a really nice angled connection, so if you're hanging it up against the wall, it doesn't get caught, just pops right in. And I put it nice and low so we can try and avoid some of the reflection from the room, but I wanted to show you at both ends of these cords, it has an L angle, which is really wonderful. I'm glad television companies are starting to do that. So I'm gonna plug it in back here. And I also wanted to show you that it comes with the batteries and the remote, which is a really nice thing, you know, just in case you don't have any extras laying at home. And that's it. I don't want to go through any more of the process and take this experience of setting up a new television from somebody that's going to receive it this Black Friday. But be sure to come down at 8:45. We are open till 6, but I assure you these are going to go really fast. Thanks for watching.